Hi friends, this video shows how to return or raise refund request for products ordered using Amazon Now 10 minutes. So here, let me go to orders, tap on this U icon, then tap on orders, tap on this orders button. Then from this orders, let me select the Amazon Now 10 minutes order. So this is the order. Let me tap here. See, this is a product which I want to return because product has been damaged. Tap on this link. I have an issue with the items. Request a refund or return. Tap here. Then from this list, we can select the product which we need to return. So I want to return this rice product. Tap on this product, select it. Then tap on continue. Then here we need to set the reason. So here I am going to select product damaged but shipping box okay. Select this first option. Then here we need to attach some pictures. So we can attach picture of the damaged product. Tap on this icon, camera icon, tap here. So if you already captured picture, you can use this media pick button. Then you can select the image from the phone, or you can use this camera button, tap here. Then you can capture image of the damaged product, then tap on ok. See, now I have attached one image. After that, in this comments text field, you can write some reason. See, I have written product and cover has been damaged. Write something there. Okay, then tap on continue. So this way we can raise return or refund request. They will review the request, then they will approve it. This way we can raise return request for products ordered using Amazon Now 10 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.